Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the current Sync 3 version and your VIN so you grab the correct update file. This prevents installing wrong firmware. Once you have the official update on a FAT32 USB in the drive's root, make sure the vehicle is parked, ignition is on, and battery has sufficient charge or is on a charger. Then insert the USB. The system checks files automatically, and you'll see the update prompt. Follow that initial prompt to start the process now. Once you accept the installer prompts, Sync 3 begins copying and unpacking files. You should stay with the car and avoid powering down. Make sure to follow touchscreen instructions, agree to terms, and allow reboots. During this middle phase, the system may reboot several times while applying modules. This is normal and why you don't remove the USB. Progress can vary from 20 minutes to an hour. If the install stalls, make a note of any error code and try a soft restart before reattempting. When the update finishes, Sync 3 performs a final reboot and displays a completion message. Only then remove the USB. You should go to Settings and confirm the new firmware version, then reconnect your phone to test Bluetooth, voice commands, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Make sure your presets and favorites are intact. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset first. Hold the volume and seek buttons for 10 seconds. Then retry the install with a freshly formatted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.